Hi YouTube, the London session is going to start in 5 minutes from now. We didn't have any trade in this week, but we will get patient and will only trade if we get the setup. So I'm going on the charts and marking all my confluences, and let's see, hopefully we get a trade. Guys, I journaled all my trades, and the major problem I found it in my trade was that I was not fully cautious when I took a trade, and I regret the decision after that, taking a trade, because I was not fully cautious. I just woke up and just get straight on the charts and try to find a trade, and most of the times I found the incorrect trade. That was not my fully A plus setup. Before taking a trade, before going on a chart, I would simply go 5 minutes in the sun outside and would have a shower so that my mind get fully awake, and after that going in profits, taking A plus setups, and everything is going good. Buy a small funded account this week so I can check what's my trading progress is going, and I'll make daily videos about that. As you as a beginner trader, if you're following me, if you're watching my video, you can also learn from my mistakes and from the things I learned. If you trade ICT or any of its concepts like fair value gaps or blocks, only reason you should not take the trade when all the confluences are met, like in this scenario, is that when you go on a lower time frame and it's respecting the fair value gaps of the thing that is not a bias and disrespecting the fair value gaps which is the bias. You can go on a lower time frame and you can see, is it respecting your bias or disrespecting your bias. If the price is respecting your bias, then it's fine, you can take a trade. But if it's disrespecting on a shorter time frame, then it means it will also disrespect on a larger time frame. So in my case, it is respecting till now. Let's see if it respects the price in the shorter time frame. We will trade if we found the confluence. If it keep disrespecting and goes upwards, then we will take the trade. So the most of the trader which failed in trading is not just about strategy. It doesn't matter so much if you choose a strategy which is working, which you backtest and it's working, giving you good risk reward, is fine. The most of the traders which fail is just because of patience, psychology and risk management. If you clear the strategy, if you clear the risk management, the other thing is psychology, and psychology takes time to develop. As I didn't took any trade in this week, myself is getting so desperate for taking a trade, but as of now I am not seeing any confluence till now. I would not take. So now I will only take the trade if I get the perfect business opportunity. Just take it like a business opportunity. If you get the best A plus setup, just only take trade. Just trade when you get the best A plus setup. If you didn't get A plus setup, you will find A plus setup next day or next week or next month. It will never be too late. So boys, we enter in a trade and take a L. As I mark the 1 hour confluences, the 5 minute time, the price enter in the confluence, one of the confluence, and on 5 minute time frame, I go and it break the structure. You can see here, and then it makes the smallest fair value gap, and the price enters in the fair value gap and give the rejection. Here I took the trade and my trade was 2.2 reward, but straight goes to the opposite direction and we hit a L. But no problem, we are still up for the month. Could not choose if price goes in my direction, if it goes to L. I could choose how I do the trading setup, the procedures of taking a good trade. A plus setup did all that right. Matter is taking a plus setup, and in long term will give you benefit. You will be profitable if you follow your rules, if you follow your risk management, if you follow your psychology. And I did that good today. I took a L. My rules, I follow my risk management, I follow my psychology. Until all the confluences are not hit, I didn't took the trade. And I know my trading strategy has a good win rate, above 60% be in profits until I follow my trading plan. So this one L can't define that I lost in future because I'm in profit in the past 3 months. And in this week, hopefully I will buy a small funded account. Subscribe, make videos every day. So the main thing is just preparing for the good trade, taking a plus setup that are in trader hand. The win and loss are not in our hand. So we just need to focus and need to prioritize our A plus setups, and that's all that matters. Hopefully on Monday I'll buy a funded account. Let's meet on Monday.